Okay, so this is an air filter for my car, and this is how to change said air filter for just about any car. It's pretty simple. On most vehicles, you've just got a few clamps, like you see me undoing here. They don't typically require a screwdriver, but if they do, then, grab a screwdriver. There's the air hose. There's another hose. Just remove the clamps, twist them off, pull the cap, and voila. So here you'll see this air filter is absolutely disgusting. I don't typically let them get that bad, but, what can I say? Here I got a cheap air filter off of Amazon. You can get it from the local parts store or anywhere. I know Amazon sells a lot of imported stuff, but most of the parts stores are just private labeling the same imported stuff too. So yeah, just open the air filter up, put it in, make sure it's seated the way that it was, or the way that the old filter was. Make sure it's not raised up on the lip, and make sure that your cap can fit back over top of it. If the cap goes back on the way that it should, redo the clamps, snap them on one at a time, get your air hoses back in place, make sure everything's clamped down because the air leaks can cause you more problems. So once you get that, then you're good to go. Now this can solve a number of symptoms from a dirty air filter, gas mileage, fuel smell, check engine lights in some cases and whatnot. But even if you don't have those symptoms, it's a good idea to replace them whenever they get dirty. So check your air filter if you haven't in a while, replace the air filter if you haven't in a while, and good luck.